Hi friends, so this session is basically on RL78 microcontroller basic tutorial. So we have already opened the CS Plus software, and it is written as CS Plus for CC. You can easily search it. Once you have installed, I'll make a separate video how to install this software, but once you have installed, you just need to search as CS Plus and you'll be able to see that CS Plus for CC and CS Plus for CSEX. So CC and CSEX, these are all compilers. So we are using CS Plus for CC because this is the latest compiler, and it is basically supported by Renesas right now, and CSEX are like no more supported. So we'll just be using the CS Plus for CC. So once you open the software, you will be able to see a screen something like this. So what we need to do, we need to go to the project option in this, and we need to create a new project. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is you need to select the series of the microcontroller that you are going to use, that is RL78. Then what you need to do, you need to name the device, the microcontroller device which you are going to program. For me, what I'm going to do, it will be R5F104PJ. Okay, it will be PJ, and yeah. So why I have selected this device, because this device simply supports the software simulator option, and moreover it is also present on a kit that I was having once. So this microcontroller supports the software simulator environment as well, that is inside this software, or like in the Cubesuite itself. So proceeding further, what we need to do, we need to name the project over here. So I am going to just give a name, sorry, RL78 tutorial 1, that is what I have named. You can select the place where it is going to be saved, and I am going to place them in CS Plus projects. Yeah, so okay, let it be created. Now what we are able to see over here is this, you'll see a window like this. So on the left hand side there's the project tree. If the project tree is not visible to you, what you need to do, you need to go to the view setting and you need to click on the project tree, and it will come on the left side. Okay, so once the project tree is there, you are capable, you can see that there's a thing called code generator. Code generator is basically a graphical user interface in order to generate basic C programs, like in order to run the peripheral. If you want to make some port pin as output or its initial value as 1 or 0, so it is the software used to create basic level of code. Then using the C programming language, you can change the code as you wish to. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to notice in this, it is the clock generator. When you'll click on the clock generator, you'll have this window over here. The first thing that you need to do is that there are some options in the pins to multiplex the functionality of the pins, like ADC will be connected to a particular port pin that is written over here. So if you'll tick, if you'll place the tick over here, so these functionalities can be multiplexed. How or what functionality you want for what particular pin, so you can make a check of this, and according to your requirement you can place the ticks or not place the ticks, or whatever the thing is. So in my case, for the demo, I am just going to remove all the ticks and do a fixed setting. Just remember it, it can be done for a project when you are starting that project, not in between the project. You can change it again, right? So the second tab, we will talk about all the tabs one by one. So the second tab will be the clock setting tab. Okay, so for the clock setting tab, we need to understand the structure of the internal clocks of an RL78 microcontroller. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to the website over here. Okay, this is Renesas website. You need to go to the products, you need to go to the RL78 microcontrollers. Then you need to select the microcontroller that you are programming. I am programming RL78 G14. Our device was of G14 series. Okay, so you can download the datasheet, but more relevant information is basically present in hardware user manual. So just download or open the hardware user manual.